my topic is all about corruption in the workplace, causes and effects. So corruption is the one that the leader is not maintain the money to the employees, and that is, and the causes is the leader is so eager and no security about about the protection of the money, and the employees get the lower standard. So that's the causes of the corruption. And the effects, the company will be gonna be a low quality, and then sometimes low budget, and the company will go breakdown because of the corruption, and the company gonna breakdown. So wala na tayong magagawa dyan.